Hello guys, welcome to our channel, TechnoUniverse. Much has been made of Elon Musk's move into Texas recently. It's going to be the home and base of operations of the world's richest man for the foreseeable future. Texas's hour of transitioning into America's new automotive manufacturing hub is at hand as Elon Musk officially opens Tesla Gigafactory Texas. The Gigafactory, according to Elon Musk, is a machine that makes the machine. It's a one-size-fits-all plant that, in theory, could produce everything Tesla offers under one roof, including batteries, solar panels, home storage solutions, and of course, electric automobiles. The raw materials would enter one end and the final goods would exit the other. Musk's goal in terms of scale is also genuinely big. When completed, the Gigafactory Nevada was the world's largest building in terms of footprint and second largest in terms of volume. Before the Gigafactory debuted in 2016, Tesla made a lot of big promises about it. According to the corporation, the facility would eventually create 6,500 on-site employments and increase Nevada's economy by $100 billion over the following 2 decades. By 2020, the Gigafactory was expected to produce 35 GWh worth of batteries. Some of those objectives have been reached and even exceeded by the firm. Tesla employs 7,000 employees on site. Panasonic, which rents a portion of the Gigafactory and manufactures Tesla's battery cells, employs an additional 3,000 people. According to Chris Lister, the vice president in charge of operations at Tesla, the goal of the Gigafactory is to transform the company into something more than an EV maker. The Gigafactory is critical to achieving the company's objective, which is to promote the world's transition to sustainable energy, which goes well beyond electric automobiles. The Gigafactory, even in its current state, is one of the company's distinguishing assets, according to Lister. Tesla requires more than one super-optimized Gigafactory to completely accomplish its purpose, and they've built them in multiple locations around the world already. If you have to send your products from one place to nations all over the world, cost reductions and vertical integration only go so far. The Gigafactory 2 operation initiative began with a facility in Buffalo, New York, which was producing solar panels, photovoltaic cells, and Tesla's much-hyped solar roof tiles. After years, Elon Musk decides to open a third Gigafactory just outside of Shanghai in the summer of 2018. Since then, the construction has been finished. Further, Gigafactories are planned in Germany and maybe the United Kingdom. Elon Musk's business filed 3 comments to the United States, joining a slew of other car suppliers seeking tariff exemptions on key parts. In December 2021, the U.S. Trade Representative supported exemptions on vital raw commodities it needed to import from China. In them, Tesla said natural graphite is currently not available in the specifications nor capacity outside of its current suppliers in China that is required for it to manufacture EV batteries in the US. Tesla is requesting waivers on various forms of artificial and natural graphite. That's a complete 180-degree turn of events. Tesla has emerged as a winner in China over the last 3 years despite the trade war. Tesla has been able to significantly increase production even as rivals' plans remain uncertain. The fact that Tesla is now having trouble obtaining a raw material that is only accessible in the form it requires in China for a battery cell demonstrates how the combined efforts of tariffs and the supply chain issue is far from done. These logical delays and associated challenges have progressed from minor industrial annoyances to major roadblocks that are delaying development and production. Graphite is used to make the anodes or components of electric vehicle batteries. Without it, Tesla may face even more difficulties in introducing a technology that it has been attempting to dominate. Tesla told some customers they could take vehicle delivery with some missing parts, such as Bluetooth chips and USB ports. Tesla also removed some features such as radar sensors and lumbar support for front passenger seats, which made the car less complicated to build. Tesla also increased vehicle prices to address higher costs, including expedite costs for parts. American consumers have to wait for 7 months if they order a Model Y version, whose prices went up 18% last year. Musk also said Tesla was able to substitute alternative chips for some that were in short supply. Volkswagen CEO Herbert Diess said Tesla's ability to rewrite software to support the new chips in 2 to 3 weeks was impressive. But that's just one minor aspect of the problem that they were able to solve, and the vehicle supply issue was not solved. Another radical solution was needed. During 2019 and 2020, Tesla was evaluating locations in 8 states across the central United States. Several community organizations and government authorities in the United States indicated an interest in hosting the Tesla Gigafactory, which planned to be a massive manufacturing complex. Some have shown interest in making land acquisition easier, overcoming regulatory barriers, and contemplating tax incentives. Some utilize social media marketing to personally contact Elon Musk. Tesla chose Austin as the location in July 2020. According to construction papers with the Texas Department of Regulation seen by CNBC, Tesla spent over $1 billion building a new vehicle plant near Austin, Texas to complete several significant sections of the complex by December 31, 2021. We're going to make it a factory that is going to be stunning. It's right on the Colorado River. So we're going to have a boardwalk over you, hiking, biking trail. It's going to be an ecological paradise, Musk said in 2020. In October 2021, Austin Mayor Steve Adler stated that Tesla fits perfectly in with the city and area. The facility will employ thousands of people, according to Tesla. Tesla has been receiving massive casting machines, the Giga Press, at its Gigafactory Texas facility as the manufacturer draws closer to producing whole vehicle bodywork in a few pieces. Jeff Roberts, a drone pilot who has been tracking the growth of the Giga Texas complex from its inception, was able to acquire photographs of 2 gigantic IDRA containers. IDRA, located in Italy, has been supplying Tesla with the machinery required to produce mega cases, which are utilized for the Model Y's front and rear underbody. They have been investing extensively in casting and alloy technologies in recent years to provide bigger casted parts with the capacity to greatly simplify manufacturing. The corporation purchased many of the world's largest casting machines. The first Giga Press, which was placed at Tesla's Fremont facility, began production in 2020. The Giga Press machine, which has a clamping force of 55,000 to 61,000 kilonewtons, was the first of its type at the time. The first ever order for an 8,000-ton machine has now been received in March 2021. The idea of the Giga Press is a step further in applying it directly to the SUV and truck market, which is an area until now not fully explored. Full electric trucks for transportation of goods used by companies such as DHL or Amazon can enlarge the market of Giga Press, IDRA General Manager Ricardo Ferrario said. All eyes are now on Giga Texas complex for the first evidence of IDRA's 8,000-ton Giga Press, which seems to be the fourth 6,000-ton Model Y Giga Press. The Cybertruck's underbody would be made with an 8,000-ton Giga Press, making it one of the largest of its kind on the market. IDRA said last year that it had acquired an order for an 8,000-ton Giga Press that would be delivered in March 2021. It will thus come as no surprise if elements of the massive machine are soon discovered at the Giga Texas facility, as manufacturing is set to begin now. The fact that Giga Texas appears to be on track to have twice as many Giga Presses as the Fremont facility means that the Austin-based factory will likely create significantly more Model Ys than before. This part of the supply challenge they'll aim to fix because having more vehicles on the market would allow Tesla to gradually lower pricing. As manufacturing is starting, it remains to be seen how Gigafactory Texas tips the balance in favor of Tesla and how it's going to allow them to put many more Tesla cars on the road. So that's a wrap for today. Thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates about more tech-related news, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. If you have any questions, please share your thoughts below. Thank you for staying with us.